Hey everybody, so welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix your monitor when it randomly goes black. Hi everyone, so if your monitor goes black just like randomly, then here's one method to fix it. So if your screen or monitor goes black just like this, so it happens to me before, and all I did was press Control Shift Ask, or this one right here, Control Shift Ask. After that, this notification will open. Press yes. Then it will show you this one right here. So after you see this, is go to the search button, type in Windows Explorer. So on the Windows Explorer, just right click your mouse, then press restart, and it will restart it. Then also restart your device if you saw already the this one right here, the task manager. If you saw that, just restart your device right here. And that's all. Your screen should be working, and if no, just consult to your assistant or IT assistant in order to have your case solved.